Hi everyone, this is Clint from Dallas Vintage Days, and today we're going to teach you how to change the belt on your dryer. So what's happened to ours, as you can see, what we've done is I've pulled the dryer out and just turned it around. Once the hardware is off at the top here, just go ahead and pop it up, pull it back, and you can slide it off. There's some circuitry here that is attached to the stabilizer bar. Let's go ahead and just remove this one screw. Now we'll go ahead and we're going to take off the cover. Definitely make sure you disconnected the washer. Basically, we've done this job before on previous videos. When the dryer failed this time around, I thought it was the same thing. I thought it was going to be these pulley wheels have failed, but it wasn't. What we found was a belt that had failed. So we went ahead and ordered one from the good folks at appliancepartspros.com, who we are in no way affiliated with, but they do give us good parts. And so make sure that there isn't anything wrong with that. And so that's spinning freely, right? We wouldn't want that to be seized or anything like that. So now we just got to change the belt. Luckily, we've ordered a replacement belt. It just showed up today. And set it on top and we'll get started. We want to be able to get our belt around this drum, and obviously we don't want to spend a ton of time monkeying around with it if we don't have to. So they're sealed. This drum's really just sealed. This area right here, see that? Kind of pulls apart. So we're going to pull it out just enough to get the belt through there while keeping most of the belt here on top, and then we're going to roll it around and feed it through so that it goes all the way around the drum. It'll make more sense here in just a sec. But definitely let's make sure the rubber side's down. This is the track right here in the center, mostly where it's going to go. So let's just line it up, and then we'll get it in there and feed it around. And then the motherboard's just sitting here on this top bracket. You gotta feed it down in there like that. Okay. Here's our belt. Go ahead and use a screwdriver, push it in there. Okay, so we pried it open and we shoved the belt down in through there. See if we can see it. Right, see it down there? Now as I turn this drum, it's going to feed it down through there, right? Keep your eye on this here up top and make sure it doesn't lose or doesn't get misaligned, so kind of keep the tension on it. Kind of goes like this. Okay, now see where the belts come back up as we turn in the dryer wheel. We're just going to shimmy it on in. Okay, so we worked it past wheel number 1. Here it is. Now we got to get past wheel number 2. So if you can see up in there, we just need to get the belt rolled through that wheel. I'm just kind of holding my finger on it now and just roll the drum up. Alright, let me get back up at the top and make sure it's lined up. So you can see the belt coming out that side. Here it's coming out that side. It's almost done. Just keep rolling it. Look. See that? Okay. This can be a little tricky at first when you first do it, but once you get the hang of it, you go, oh wow, that was easy. So the trick to it is start from the right side, grab the belt on the right side here and pull it tight. You'll notice there's some grooves on the inside. And there's also some grooves on the inside of this motor spindle. But start on the right side and go upper right, like that. And then you're really just going to want to take this pulley wheel, and it's got a spring on it, and bring it up like that. Look. Belt's on. It's nice and tight. It moves, it spins. Okay. We didn't have to take the back panel off. Right? That's the whole point of it. So we are ready to put the back cover on now and the power cord. And we'll do that real quick, and we're just going to turn it back around, plug it back in, put the vent tube on it, and you're good to go. Okay, now that we've got it back in, we just need to give it a shot. Alright, so worked just like we thought it would, and hopefully you enjoyed this video on how to replace your dryer belt. If you like this video, please subscribe, please like, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.